welcome back to part 3 of making my own food. And right now we just finished our bacon, so we're gonna put them onto this napkin. Alright, let it cool off for a bit. And now we're gonna be focusing on the eggs. So since we cooked the bacon first, we don't need to use the olive oil. Let's go ahead and get it on to high. Right, put this floor up. Let it cook. Right. That. We wait for it to cook now. And so while we wait for it to cook, I gotta get the seaweed ready.
What kind of seaweed do you use?
This seaweed, I use dried seaweed from South Korea.
Oh.
Right. In this bag. Okay, we'll start off with one seaweed. Because right now I'm making mine. And then I'm going to be making my mom's. So, we got our seaweed. Now we got to get the rice. Right, let me go get a spoon. Okay. Now, since I can touch this because I washed my hands right now. So, don't do this unless you have washed your hands. I use the spoon to spread this rice out nicely. Okay. All right. There, we spread it out. Now let's focus back on the egg. As you can see, the egg right now is cooked. And be careful about the bubbly thing. And do not put water in it. Because if you do, you might get hurt. Right. I'm going to get a spatula. Right. Okay. Make sure you use this. Oh. Then we let it boil. Okay. So now we got most of our ingredients ready. We got bacon. So we got bacon, we got the eggs, we got the rice, and we got the seaweed. So now all I gotta do is wait for the eggs to finish, and then I can start making my sushi. Alright. I think this is ready. So I'm gonna turn it off and get this onto a plate. Let me go get a plate. I got a plate ready. Now let's put the eggs on here. Oh. Okay. Got the egg on here. Now, let's go make the sushi. First off, we're going to be putting the bacon on here. Since I forgot that I only made one bacon, I can only put one bacon on here, but that's okay. And we also got an egg.
Can you put anything else in your sushi?
I could, but I'm not going to.
Oh. But you can put something like vegetable, right?
Yeah.
Like cucumber and
lettuce.
Okay.
Right, it's kind of hot. Get this. this onto here. And I guess this piece as well. Oh. And I gotta start folding. Okay. And even if you can't fold it tightly, you can still use the wrap to like wrap it around. Okay. There you go. You got a sushi.
Woohoo! Sushi.
Well, the last one I have to do is dessert / or snack, and I'll see you guys then.
Okay, are you going to try it?
This is good.
Okay.
And now I'm gonna go make the second one.
All right. Can't wait. Mommies can't wait. Bye.
Bye.